Hello everyone, thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure. If you missed our last video, I ventured solo to Cave City, Kentucky to see a place I found online that looked as if it was filled with the kind of cool and unusual stuff we look for shopping the world's longest yard sale. I know I could spend so many hours in this store. In my mind, it was the world's longest yard sale in one building, but got distracted by a huge vintage and custom car show on the same street. This is one of the craziest filming days I've ever had, and without Vanessa too. This is what I had planned to explore that day. Four Seasons Antiques, which is now really Paul's Antiques. And that's where we jump in this video. A train. We always have a train in our videos, I don't know how.
We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure.
Talk about the classic Tonka toys. You got them. This place was a gold mine. Oh, yeah, need that. And that. This place, I love it. I'm gonna take you through a slow look and just see what we can find. Who knows, maybe you'll be in the Cave City neighborhood and can check it out. Glassware. I'm not sure who those busts are of. Another train. Ooh. Is that an actual Confederate coat from the Civil War? Oh, I've got to ask. Okay, that one's not, but this one is. Like I said, this is a find, guys. Just found a little hidden secret you guys are going to want to know. Stick around to the end of the video and find out what it is. What is that? Anybody remember the old dial telephone? That thing is heavy. Then you just dial the numbers and you get connected. Nooks and crannies everywhere with all kinds of memorabilia. I love this. A whole lot. I'm sorry. It's not even Christmas in July yet. There are acres and acres of memorabilia and nostalgia that just keep going. I really don't think I can cover this whole store in one video. So this is Barbie. Like life size, girl size anyway. Little girl size. I'm just gonna walk you through this. I'm not sure what this stuff is. Evidently for like pancakes and cornbread. Oil change, anyone? And they've got the record locker in Coca-Cola cases. Actual old vinyl. You can get Footloose in this place. Okay, this is a little newer. Oh, and the moon pie. Love me a moon pie. Oh, I would so get this shirt for Vanessa. I don't think it'll fit though. Wow. Hammers, wrenches, all kinds of tools. Saws, meat grinder, old-fashioned kind. Actually had to use the handle. But if nothing else, I would Google them and find out what is in this place. It just goes on and on. Goodyear license plates. They've got everything. Look at that knife. Oh, that's a knife. Actually, I think it's a saw, but for the sake of the joke, Classic. It's KitchenAid too. Wow. Hammers, wrenches, all kinds of tools. Saws, meat grinder, old-fashioned kind. Actually had to use the handle. Okay, I think it's time to tell you the secret this place holds that you'll want to check out. It's so cool. Check out this shirt first. Can you say 1950s? I bet you can. Okay, enough fiddle faddle, fall stalling. Here's the big secret. This antique store was a bank. Look at this door. Talking about keeping your valuables safe. Yeah, the actual vault. Did you ever want to walk into a bank vault? We're going to walk in a bank vault. Don't let the door shut. Look at this McDonald's, Happy Meal. Love all these old toys. Look at that bus. This is the kind of stuff we ache to find on the world's longest yard sale. And it's crammed in one store in Cave City. Found another place like this in Sweetwater, Tennessee. Might want to check our Tennessee video and maybe visit that place too. Look at this radio. Gotta admit, it's a little intimidating being in a bank vault, so we're gonna step back out while the door's still open. Thank you. Let's rock. Get it? Okay, never mind. Here's a showcase of curiosities. First off, the typewriter right there. And that. What is that, guys? Put it down in the comments so I can know. Thank you. I made mention of some of the things around Cave City that are interesting, like Dinosaur World, but I haven't said much about the town. There's 2,300 population near the Mammoth Cave National Park, and everybody I've met is extremely friendly. This place is so much fun. If you plan to be cruising through Kentucky and think you might want to stop by, it's about halfway between Nashville out of Tennessee and Louisville out of Kentucky, just off I-65, right there. And you definitely got to put Paul's Antiques on your list. I wanted to find the fun and different today. I think I did it. Oh man, it's too bad Vanessa's not here. We could get this van, live van life. I think that's our secret dream someday, to just really get away from it all, move on. This is one of the craziest filming days I've ever had. And without Vanessa too. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a mishmash of all sorts of things happening, car show, antique store, I know. But if you did, give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel, we'd appreciate it, thank you. We will catch you on the next one. Talk about a clean ride, look at this. Take the family and get some groceries. The colors they used to use back in the day were just so calming. And look at this interior. Nice and wide. The whole family could sit across the front. At least 3 people, bench seat, basic, dash. If you had radio, you were cruising.